What are you guys doing?
Watching a grandmaster at work.
We're supervising.
So what's up, guys? How you doing? So today is another day. We'll be working on the office, the loftus, whatever we considered it. We've been kind of trying to haul ass and get that thing finished because we have some big plans in there that we'll talk about later. But today we're doing a big piece of the puzzle, and that is the sheetrock or the drywall, whatever you guys want to call it. It's gonna be messy, and I'm not excited for it, but I am excited for it because I'm excited for it to be done. So my buddy Jason is here once again. If you guys have been keeping up on the build, he helped us frame it. He helped us lay the loft on top. He showed us how to lay the panels on the outside. He showed us how to install a door, and now he's here to show us how to install sheetrock the right way. Are you excited?
A little bit. How about you?
I'm excited. So I'm excited for it to be done.
Yes.
But that's about it.
Good.
But it's okay. Today will be a great learning experience because I feel like this is something like every guy should know how to do.
Hey, sheetrock's all right. You know, it's easy enough. Put a few screws in it.
If RJ could do it,
Anybody
we
can
can
definitely do it.
so let's see if RJ could figure it out. So Jason swung down a few days ago, and we finished up the electrical. Well, we finished running all the wires and boxes and everything. They're all on the side, and we actually started laying a few panels up top right here. So we'll just be continuing on. So what's like the big first thing you look for?
We want to try and make it as square as possible. And then we can at least start from one corner and work our way out. Run our sheets, try to land everything on the joists themselves so that they're even. And
I guess that's it, right?
That's it.
That's it. I guess we work from the ceiling and work our way down. Any reason why?
the ceiling, when you put it up, when you put the side walls up, it helps hold the ceiling up on the outside corners.
That's why. So it's about 4 hours of just this.
Of finishing?
And then we'll start the next step of it. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, so when putting the panels on the ceiling, I guess there's a couple things to look for. One, you want to be efficient. You want to be able to use as many full pieces as you can, because then there's going to be less lines, which means less taping at the end. You also want to offset the lines. As you can see, there's a line here, and then a line here, and then now we're going to and then offset it right here. Because if we continue on the same line, it's just not as strong and nice looking in the end than if we offset it. And then, of course, you got to make sure they do fall in the center of one of these, just so we could have somewhere to screw the ends into. Anything else you could think of, Jay?
No, we're making good progress.
And we're kind of just screwing the edges in for now. We're gonna go back and fully screw them in after, once they're all placed up there.
I'll show you a fun tool that I have.
He has a fun tool. I'm excited to see it. Wow, these full sheets are a pain in the ass. These are heavy motherfuckers. So as you guys can see, we have a box right here for a light. So of course we have to cut it out. Jason kind of just measured a square measurement from it and then traced extra box we had. And he's gonna saw it out right now, and hopefully it lines up when we lay it. Nice little square template, right?
Square template.
Order up. Thank you, sir.
Jump from there to here with an elbow.
Looks great to me.
Nice.
Ooh, snug.
So much just came out of his mouth.
Did it? Oh.
It was like a little cloud you just fucking spit out.
Do you see me right now?
Oh my god.
Alright. So, ceiling's almost done being hung. This is the pain in the ass part. The walls will be a little bit easier, so. This shit just gets heavy when it's over your head. Alright boys, well the ceiling is mounted. So I gotta go through and screw them down every single board, but for now they're up in the air. and the muscle work is done. So now we're moving on to the sides, which is a little bit easier. So, Jason, are we gonna run these things up the tall ways or the wide ways?
Well, again, we're gonna try and make it as simple as possible. Are we supposed to run them long ways? You can.
Okay.
We are gonna run some sideways.
Okay.
And long ways.
Okay, so whatever works.
To make out the best and most efficient way we can. So these two are going to go sideways, and one's gonna go long ways on the side.
This time we have a lot more stuff that we actually have to cut out because we have the light switch, a couple outlets, we got a big old window and some other stuff. Oh, we're going straight up. We're doing a window delete
I was
here.
gonna say, I think you're blocking the window.
The first board laid up now. This is a good time to address the whole insulation thing because I know you guys commented a lot in the last video. Now the office will probably honestly never be more than a 15 to 25 degree temperature from the rest of the garage. So I don't see it being worth it in our situation. What do you have to say about it? I don't know.
At this point, again, space heaters are very available. We can use space heaters. It's 60 degrees and I'm sweating in here right now.
Exactly.
So I think we should be warm enough, and we always have great hoodies that you might be able to design for us too.
Yeah, exactly. See the plug right there. So like I said, with the drywall, the outer layer and the air pocket in between the two layers will act as a good enough insulation for this. It's not like it's a house where it's gonna be like 30 degrees outside and then 75 degrees in here. It's probably gonna be 65 degrees in the garage and 75 degrees in here. So insulation in our case just isn't worth it. I mean, as you guys can tell, there's no secret to laying drywall. Just make it fit, screw it down. I guess the finesse comes when we go to tape it up and stuff, huh?
That's true. A little mud, make it up.
Little wall bondo action. We'll call Brian in for that one. I think he should be good at it.
I think so.
So I'm tracing all the studs so we can go back and send all the screws through, because right now all the panels are kind of just fastened on the edges, but we're gonna have to go through and fasten them down on every single stud so these things are planted, and with that it's gonna connect the whole frame together. So not only is it gonna insulate, give us fire protection, but it's also gonna kind of like steady the whole platform together. So all marked down, which you can kind of tell if you go right here. Wow, the acoustics in here is crazy. Yeah! Halo theme song, go. Oh. So I think it's time for Jason to show me that special tool he was talking about earlier.
We're gonna try.
This thing looks expensive.
A little bit.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this thing.
Basically.
But you just hold full throttle and just...
Hold the piece and then find your line, and then push in all the way until it sets itself.
Alright, how many, what are we doing, like 5 per?
Yeah.
Yeah, give or take. Oh my god! Wow, this is a hell of a lot easier than holding the screws.
Makes a little quick work.
It's not bad. Well, we have about a shit more to go.
At least 15.
At least 15, yeah. We just went through with Jason's little automatic screwer and did literally all of the screwing. I still have to go through and get some of the seams because it gets a little iffy on the seams with that thing, but check it out. There is like 800 screws in this thing, probably around 100, but it looks like 800. But dude, it's a room. It looks amazing. Like it feels huge in here now. It might not look on camera, but goddamn, it actually feels like a room.
Yeah, it's getting there. It looks pretty awesome, actually.
Yeah, doesn't it look dope?
Yeah, the end vision is coming together for sure.
That was the easy part of the sheetrock. Now to make this look like, I guess this, we have to go through and basically cover all the screws, all the seams, everything, sand it a million times, tape it up, do it again, and then paint it, and then it'll look like that. But that's cool, one step at a time, and we're making great progress. I mean, really, this only took us about 3.5 hours, I think.
Yeah.
We were hauling ass, but I mean, on terms of thing, that's half a work day, so that's not bad at all. That concludes our drywall session for now.
Awesome, good progress.
Whoever does this for their full-time job, I applaud you because I couldn't do it.
Yeah, no, shout out to you because yeah, this sucks.
But it does look pretty freaking dope. But so I'm gonna come back and clean this real quick so we can get like a better view of it and get a really good idea for the room. But as we finish, my buddy Joe shows up right here, and he's actually gonna take what's left of the last part out hatch. As you guys know, we got the red hatch and the purple hatch. The red hatch I fully sold as a roller. This thing, we completely stripped it down, literally to a bare shell. I sold the wire harness out of it, I took the glass out of it, I took everything out of it. I even sold the gas tank, the front dropout, and this is for Brian for a project that he's doing, which is really crazy, and we'll talk about it later. So now it's time for this car to go to 240 heaven.
Use our muscles and pick it up.
But trust me guys, if this shell was worth saving, I would have saved it. But what's cool about this is this 240 will now live on in many, many, many other 240s, which are pretty dope because I sold pieces to quite a few different people, and it was pretty cool. So let's figure out how we're gonna get this thing on the trailer because I have no idea. Because there's 3 of us, and my buddy Joe has a broken leg, so.
Listen, we're just gonna have to
Nut up.
Yeah, dude. Put up or shut up, you know?
Guys feeling strong or what? Yeah. Here we go. Joe, I'm thinking I lift up the front end and you back it up. So stay. Now a proud owner.
My first 240. I can't wait to start building it. It's gonna be sick. I'm starting with a good base. It's got everything. Actually, it has nothing. It has absolutely nothing, and I'm gonna make everything new. It's gonna be sick. I got an LS for it.
Please, just scrap this thing.
Yeah, it's going straight to the scrapyard. Dude, I need some money. Look at my leg; it's broken. Shit.
This car has been awesome. This car has made me a decent amount of money, and I was able to hook up a lot of my friends with it. But I am so happy it is leaving.
You're helping me out right now. I'm the last person to be helped by this car.
Thank you, homeboy.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
See, it's helping another person.
Yeah, hit me up, Camel Towing, for all your towing needs, bro.
Is that what you're naming it now? This is my neighbor, by the way. This is his name.
It used to be Scrap Dragon, but I'm going little. You know, I got a car trailer now.
I like
so.
Scrap Dragon.
Scrap Dragon.
Yeah.
Yo, later, dude.
Later, bud.
Have a good night.
You too. Enjoy your new project car.
Bro, this thing's gonna drift so good.
At least now you can say you own a 240 SX.
Yo, for hours. It's going tomorrow, but yeah, I'm building a Mustang drift car. Check it out, Redneck Joe.
Are you still posting on your channel?
I am. I have a shit ton of videos up there. I'm not posting right now because I broke my leg, but later, bud.
Link in description.
Thank you very much.
All right, so I got the office fully swept up. Now you can get the full effect of it looking amazing. Ready? Check it out. Boom! Finally looks like a room. It actually feels, I thought it was gonna feel smaller once we sheetrocked it, but honestly, the office feels a lot bigger than I thought, which is good. Because I was getting a little nervous, a little too small. But looks awesome. We spent the whole time, got it all nailed down. Now it's time for the mud, the tape, paint, trim, blah, 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 like we said before. But yeah, so today was awesome. Once again, huge shout out to Jason. I know he's gonna comment below, so everyone show some love to Jason. Jason, you better comment. And comment down, everyone, show some love to Jason. He's been helping us out an unreal amount. We're so beyond grateful. He has, not only helped us, but has taught us a lot throughout the whole process. So now, hopefully in the future, we could be self-proficient. And I can tell you one thing, I have definitely learned a lot from this. And simple skills like this, just a handyman trait that anyone can use down the line in the future. So, with that, I think we're gonna end it here. We went pretty hard on this. I'm excited. We got a lot done today, and the office is really coming together, which is huge. This is gonna be really, really, really important piece of the puzzle down here. So I think we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Mike?
Have a great night.
I can't think of a better use for extra sheetrock.